Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how Wise debit card works. So simply you know, if you have got your physical Wise card, so simply now you can use your physical Wise card with your ATM machine that bank allow to transfer with Wise. And the second way to use Wise card, to you can use this card for online purpose, like you can use it on Google, and you can also use it on Amazon and eBay. So now if you want to make any online payment, or you want to purchase anything online, you can simply use your Wise card as a debit or credit card. So simply now how you can use it online, so simply just you know, I have open my Google account, and now I want to purchase my drive from Google. So how I can use Wise card, so simply just click on get started, and after that click on agree. So now here add a credit or debit card. So simply what you need to do, just you have to fill your Wise account or credit card details here, and simply after that, when you add your credit card or debit card here, simply add your date of birth and card number here. After that, here you can fill your credit card or personal account details. After that, click on save button. So in this way you can use this credit card for many websites like Amazon, eBay, and there are other websites. So you can use Wise card as an online debit or credit card, and simply you can use it with your ATM machines or bank accounts. So in this way Wise debit card works on every platform.